Welcome back to Seasparkles Corner. Well, it's been exactly 30 minutes since we've done this, and that's what it looks like. That's the way I did it. And so, I got a little knife here. And I'm going to cut it. And Wesley and I are going to enjoy eating it. And I'm going to just cut it in half. I know that's kind of a big Reese's peanut butter cup, but I'll cut it in fours. Okay, I'm going to get a spoon to lift it up easier. And I'm going to get some spoons for to enjoy eating it. And here it is. Hi, sweetheart. There's two for Wesley. And you want to keep this refrigerated when you're not eating it, and make sure you eat it up within 2 days. But I don't think there's going to be a problem with it. And I'll let Wesley take the first bite and enjoy it, and get his view on it. It's taste testing time. It's taste testing time on Seasparkles Corner. And there it is. It's good. Oh yeah. Look at that smile. Look at that smile. Now it's my turn to taste test. Let me get another spoon.
Look at my chicken. See my chicken?
Yeah. All right. And now
Oh,
there's a spoon for our dessert. Oh, it's good. Oh yeah. It tastes just like a Reese's peanut butter. I have to get another bite. It tastes exactly like It tastes exactly like a peanut butter cup. So, Wesley and I give it 2 thumbs up. One for flavor, one for taste. And I know we're not going to have any problems eating this up within the 2 days. At the most, it should be refrigerated. Actually, I don't think it's going to survive the night. To be honest. So, thank you for watching Seasparkles Corner. Feel free to share, feel free to subscribe, and as always, you mean everything to us. Hugs and kisses from my family to yours. Thanks for watching. Bye, everybody.
Isn't there?
Yep. Would you like more?
Yes, I'd like
Hold
more.
it.
Still recording.
Yeah, just hold the button.